Our Newsmaker tonight, Leader of Opposition in the Rajya Sabha, Arun Jaitley. I spoke to Mr. Jaitley a short while back and began by asking him how did he respond to the CBI affidavit which had been filed in the Supreme Court today, where the CBI says that it shared the status report with government executives but did not share the report which is currently under preparation as on the 26th of April.
Well, I think the CBI has been partly candid. They've admitted that there was a meeting. They've admitted that they shared it with the law minister. They shared it at the behest of the law minister. And there's something which, on factual metrics, the political executive should not interfere in. In fact, just 2 days ago, Justice J.S. Verma passed away, and today is his prayer meeting. In one of his most monumental judgments, in Vineet Narayan's case, he uses a phrase from the English judgment where he says, no minister of the Crown can ever tell the investigating officer what to say in the investigation report. This is the dicta of the Supreme Court in Justice Verma's judgment in Vineet Narayan. Now, this is precisely in both letter and spirit which is violated. I think CBI has been candid enough also to say that the Prime Minister's office also saw it. I think there is something else which they've held back.
Which is what, sir?
These are two important facts. One, what was the original status report and what was the contents of the status report after these two offices approved of the status report? Did they merely peep into the report or were they instrumental in bringing some changes to the report? Two, is there any correspondence which contemporaneously took place, which will indicate as to what really was going on? Are there any emails between any of these offices which would suggest? And I think it will be the fitness of thing, since part of the facts have become public, these facts also become public.
As Leader of the Opposition, Arunji, do you believe that the position of Ashwini Kumar as a law minister, as of now, has simply become untenable?
I think so. I think it's become untenable because it's disturbing that the meeting is held at his initiative and instance. It is quite possible that on a question of law, an investigating agency may go to the law ministry and ask for legal advice. But that can only be on questions of law. On factual matrix, who's guilty, who's innocent, it's the discretion of the CBI alone. Nobody else can interfere.
But who, sir, is in the dock here? Because surely Ashwini Kumar wasn't doing this at his own insistence. Was it someone higher up in the government? Was it the Prime Minister who had asked Ashwini Kumar to look at this report? So who should be holding responsible ultimately for this mess? Should it be the Law Minister or should it be the Prime Minister?
It only shows that every word the Prime Minister has told Parliament in the last 9 years, that the CBI is an autonomous agency and the government doesn't interfere in that, was far from truth.
Okay, so that was Arun Jaitley saying that whatever assurances which have been given by the Prime Minister about the neutrality, about the objectivity of the CBI is most certainly not the truth.